Hey, it's Kate with WTI. My favorite thing to do when I travel is to bring home something that is going to remind me of my trip. And what I love to do is get a mug from the Been There series from Starbucks, which this one is from New Jersey. I recently visited New Jersey and I got this mug and I am so happy I did. I never regret picking up one of these mugs because the little details on it remind me of my trip, remind me of good memories. I really love this one. I love the colors, the blue and the yellow. They're very light. It's kind of like a pastel yellow. And it just has like the perfect little things that are so New Jersey. So if you maybe are from New Jersey, or you have visited and you had a fantastic time, or maybe you know somebody who's from New Jersey and maybe they're homesick, maybe they're not there right now, this is such a fantastic gift. It is one of my favorite coffee mugs. These Starbucks mugs are just like the perfect size. I have my coffee in it right now. They're the perfect size and perfect shape for your cup of coffee or tea, whatever you're drinking out of your mug. I love them so much. They're dishwasher safe, which just makes them really easy for cleanup. So if you need something to remind you of New Jersey, definitely check out this mug from Starbucks. That's just my point of view.